Is the application and browser control missing in your Windows security from your computer? You can try these different fixes that we have for you in this short video. The first thing you must do is to launch the Start menu, search for App and Browser Control option. If the option is present, then this indicates that a temporary bug or glitch is causing the problem. You can eliminate this bug by simply restarting your computer. Additionally, enable App and Browser Control using Registry Editor. Do it by opening regedit, navigate to this location, press Enter, right-click on this folder, then choose Delete from the context menu. Then you have to click Yes to the confirmation box that pops up. Then, restart your computer and check if the App and Browser Control option becomes available in the Windows Security app. Last on the list, enable it using the Local Group Policy Editor. To do it, search for gpedit.msc, then go to Computer Configuration, choose Administrative Templates, click Windows Components, select Windows Security, locate and double-click the App and Browser Protection folder, then right-click on Hide the Application and Browser Protection Area Policy, and then choose Edit from the context menu. Now select the disabled option in the new window that pops up, then click Apply, and select OK to save the changes. And those are the possible fixes if your App and Browser Control is missing in Windows Security in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.